Are we about to hit an explosive moment in crypto? We have some evidence to suggest the banks have been playing with all of us, and it could change dramatically, and if it does, it'll come tomorrow. But then look out, the 19th of December for the carry trade. We're excited, we're in the studio, the place is on fire. Literally, we are ready to rock and roll for the FOMC report. We are ready and we are set to go. What do we have for you today? Live in the studio, FOMC report and crypto preparing to short squeeze. We have the evidence. Let's have a look at it. Get ready. Welcome to the show. It's exciting here today. Let me give you all the news that we've got. And Sensei predicted this exact move. I'll show you when and how he did it. Okay, are you ready? Let's get ready. This is the news we have for you today. XRP, Bitcoin, dumb money. We've been played. The banks short, playing with Michael Saylor. They got a good deal, a good reason to short the market. But is it all about to explode? Up or down? We're going to discuss it right now. Welcome to the big show. It's exciting. It's all going on. Are you ready for what's about to happen? And then happen again on Wednesday? And then happen again on the 19th of December? Let's break down that information as we prepare for XRP, Bitcoin, and crypto to explode. Look at this. In the last few moments, this has happened. Ethereum has gone up 8.5% in moments. In literally moments, in seconds that happened. What about XRP? XRP up 4.83, not quite as much. In fact, half as much as Ethereum. What about Bitcoin? Up 4.6. So the outperform at the moment of the three main coins that we focus on is Ethereum. But let's look at it and let me show you the evidence and where it's all going from here. So in this live stream, XRP, Bitcoin, dumb money, have we been played? The banks short and explode. Is it all about to get pretty crazy? Remember, the economy is not the stock market. Have you waited too long to see your XRP explode? Are you pulling your hair out? Well, we've done the numbers. We're ready. Is this you? Is this how you feel? Well, things are about to change. Digital gold. Does everything change? Be careful though. Don't chase the market. We have the data. We have the evidence. But don't get caught out like this cowboy. Things could change very, very quickly. Remember the carousel. Wait until the music stops. I don't hear anything. Do you? Let's discuss it. It could be an exciting afternoon, this one. So, are we witnessing a coordinated play with the banks in the Bitcoin and XRP markets? In today's explosive video, and it is, we dive into the sudden and aggressive short squeeze that sent shockwaves through crypto, especially Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum. But this isn't just a routine market move. Some experts believe it's part of a much deeper financial strategy. Do you agree? What triggered this massive short liquidation? Could the banks be using these surges to trap retail investors? Are XRP and Bitcoin being manipulated under the radar? We break down the facts behind the sharp price action and explore the data, sentiment, and institutional behaviors driving it. This isn't just about a price action. It's about control, timing, and narrative shaping. If the legacy banking system is moving into crypto again, investors need to understand the signals before it's too late. We'll also look at the legal and regulatory pressures on XRP and why it may be of no coincidence that XRP is moving in lockstep with Bitcoin during this rally. So Sensei brought this out for you, just out. This has just been out. This was, I think, yesterday. Chart of the day, Bitcoin. Let me zoom in so you can see it. This was on our newsletter a couple of days ago. Now, really, really important. Tomorrow is the FOMC report you want, and it's for free. We're making sure everyone can get this for free. You can get every single trading indicator and how to trade the FOMC tomorrow with Sensei's full, extensive, special edition FOMC report. You'll have all the show notes. There'll be 2 streams at the same time. I'll be doing the fundamentals and Jerome Powell and everything else on the channel. Sensei at the same time on the same channel. We'll be doing the charts, and you can trade and chart, go between the 2 shows, watch both, whatever you want to do. That's what most people will do, and you want to be ready. So I'm going to give everyone the chance to get the newsletter free for tomorrow. Download it now, get ready. It'll be out later for a special so you can track all the signs. This is the link to the newsletter. It's below the video, it's below the live stream, so you might want that. Anyway. Let's get into this right now. So the chart of the day, I think this was yesterday. Bitcoin is currently squeezing shorts. Sensei brought you this before it happened as a price action pushes up towards a defining downward trend line. This diagonal resistance has established a clear pattern of lower highs with the immediate test sitting near 95,000. If buyers manage to break this structure, the market could see an acceleration in momentum as further short positions are squeezed out. Is that what is happening right now? A successful breakout targets the psychological 100,000 next level. This area aligns with the yellow moving average and serves as a critical resistance zone. While a rally to 100,000 is possible, it may ultimately form another low high before the downtrend resumes. To shift the narrative back to bullish outlook, price would need to reclaim the 102,000 and 106,000 levels. Regaining those zones could indicate the bull market is ready to continue. This is the chart. It's in our newsletter. You have it if you've got the newsletter. Now, tomorrow, you're going to have indicators about all kinds of different stocks, crypto. You want to make sure that you are prepared for it all tomorrow. So, we are ready. The studio is set for the FOMC report. You want it. Now, what is happening? Why? We know we're getting a short squeeze at the moment, but why? Let me talk about it as well. The banks. The banks are, once again, not your friend. They're businesses, right? They're there to make money and control. You wanted regulation. You wanted acceptance for crypto. Well, now you've got government and bank control. This is always what happens, and it's happened again. The banks are shorting crypto and particularly MicroStrategy. They want MicroStrategy to go down so they get more Bitcoin at a cheaper price. For those of you that follow MicroStrategy, you know how that works. We're not going to go into the whole MicroStrategy structure today. But by bringing MicroStrategy down, the banks are able to own more Bitcoin at a lower price. It's in their interest to bring Bitcoin down. Then they can own it all. So is that what's happening now? Now I've shown you the chart of the day from Sensei. I've also got you this. I wanted to share this also from our newsletter. I want to thank Sensei's wife, as always, for doing a tremendous job with the thumbnails. Really, really great. So Vanguard. This is all part of preparation for tomorrow. Love these, love these thumbnails. So more information about the banks and the institutions controlling your crypto. Doesn't mean you should chase it though, because it could come straight back down again. Now, there's 2 things to consider. Tomorrow, we have got the FOMC report, and we're already pricing in a rate cut. What if we get a rate cut? Will it continue to rally or sell off because it's priced in? What about if we don't get a rate cut and and there's a very good chance, even though everyone's expecting a rate cut, what if we don't? Crash back down again. That's in the interest for the banks. They want to get it lower and lower and lower. They want to wipe everybody out, so be careful. Let's bring you this. Vanguard. The 9.3 trillion asset manager giant has officially reversed its anti-crypto stance as of December the 2nd. A couple of days ago, he brought you this. The firm now permits the trading of regulated cryptocurrency ETFs, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Solana on its brokerage platform. This decision overturns the ban instated by former leadership in January 2024. While Vanguard isn't launching its own proprietary crypto, I'm getting something sent in from Sensei. Some news he's bringing out to me now. He's literally bringing me news. I'll bring it to you in a second. Sensei is sending me some links right now to add to all of this. In fact, I'm going to go straight to it. Sensei is telling me, can you put this on the screen? So absolutely I can. Let me bring it to you. Here we go. Right. This is what we want to show you. This is right, okay. This is Michael Saylor's Infinite Bitcoin flywheel finally jammed. I'm going to share this on the screen with you. Let's have a look. Okay. The math that powered Michael Saylor's strategy is breaking. This is exactly what the banks want. They own more Bitcoin by bringing strategy price down. All right. Now, again, really important. Tomorrow is a make or break day if you are prepared or not, as the case may be. Get the newsletter. It's free. You can get the free newsletter. Sensei is working now in London with his associates to prepare for you the best newsletter we've ever done, a special for the FOMC report. Everyone sign up for it for free. Get it. It doesn't matter whether you pay for the full program or not. Get it, sign up for it, and you can win tickets to our giveaway of $2,000 as well. So you've got all the information. You can cancel it afterwards if you feel it's not of any value to you. But we prepared it. You might as well get it. So you'll have all the trading indicators for everything tomorrow. Sensei's going to spend all night putting it together. The math that powered Michael Saylor's strategy is breaking. In early December, the company market cap briefly dipped below the spot value of its 650,000 Bitcoin holdings, 45 billion versus 55 billion, signaling a near total collapse of its premium investors once paid. The stock has plummeted nearly 60% from its July peak of 473, erasing 82 billion in value. Consequently, the infinite money glitch issuing expensive stock to buy Bitcoin has stalled. Saylor, once the ultimate holder, has admitted the unthinkable. If the valuation metric MNAV stays below 1, the company may be forced to sell Bitcoin. It's called the death spiral. This is a real thing. The banks are driving this. If we trigger below the MNAV and it does start to sell Bitcoin, down she goes, and it's in the interest of the banks that lent him the money. They will buy all the Bitcoin and all the rest of it cheaper. Remember, when a strategy goes down, you are buying Bitcoin cheaper. That's how it works. I think I have another, whoops-a-daisy. There we go. Sorry about that. I have another piece of information from Sensei I'm going to bring to you. Sensei is sending me this in as we speak to make sure that you have this information, and I've just deleted that. I'm going to open that up again. Okay, just bear with me. I'm bringing this and literally Sensei is creating this in his studio and sending it to me as I'm working on this live stream. So let me come back to here. Right, I gave you that one. Here's another one. Right, here's another one. I'm going to bring you this as well. This is something he wants to share. Which one is it? Okay, I've got it. Scroll down. Let me bring it to you. We've got Elon Musk. Yeah, we did MicroStrategy. Here it is. Okay, let's have a look. Is it in here? Let me just have a look at this. Sensei, can you just let me know what that second one is? How that's relevant? No, that one you just sent me about Elon Musk and space. What is that all about? Let me just clarify that news is what we want to share. I don't see what that's got to do with it, but let me know, and I'll bring it, and I will broadcast it if you're telling me that's the right thing. Anyway, that's what's happening at the moment with crypto. It is in the bank's interest to drive it down to buy more. Now, what should you be doing? I owned a Bitcoin a few days ago, as you know, and I sold my whole Bitcoin. I decided to go defensive, and that's the same. That's the same one. Don't worry. Okay, leave that one. That's the same one. I don't know what you mean by the same one. It's a different one, but anyway. No, I'm talking to Sensei as he's in the studio putting together this news. Anyway, I would be careful chasing this. So let's look at it right now. Ethereum is 8.5%. It's going sideways at the moment. Is it going to crash next, or is it going to continue? We shall see. What about XRP? XRP pumped up 4.8. It went higher. It went as high as 5.5, trimming off again. Is it going to go next? I wouldn't be chasing it. You got to have patience in this game. And you can see how the markets are reacting. There you go. Defensive. Coca-Cola, I bet you J&J is down as well. Defenses are being sold to buy tech. Let me have a look at it. Yeah, look at that. I didn't even look. I knew it would be down. J&J. There you go. You can see the pattern over and over again. So if you always play both sides of this, you'll always win. This, for me, now is an opportunity to buy more Coca-Cola. I didn't sell it at the top today. I could have done. I talked about it on the show, but I didn't know that this was about to happen. We've been talking about a short squeeze, but no one knows when it happens. So what you can do is simply buy more, and then when it pops up again, which it will, trim at the top and then keep the ones at the bottom. That way you keep your position in balance. But anyway, we wanted to go live and bring this to you. As you can see, crypto is exploding this afternoon. When people say we've got a short squeeze going on, or it's pumping, we have to be really sure about that, because crypto does move more than most things. Obviously, it's more volatile. So 1 or 2% doesn't really count, but this most certainly does. This is a short squeeze. The evidence would support it. The banks and so on and so forth, all that information would support it. So there you go. XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, it's all pumping this afternoon. Which way do we go with it? Well, that's the choice you have to make. So, once again, get ready for tomorrow, the newsletter. Make sure you get it. Everyone can get it for free. We are giving away $2,000 as well in our giveaway. I'm going to now show you a poll. I'm asking you this. Are the banks behind this? Do you think the banks are behind this? Right, I've just posted it. 0 votes. Are you ready? Please vote now. Yes, no, or undecided. Yes, no, or undecided. Let's refresh it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are the banks behind it? What do you think? You say yes. 54 votes in the first few seconds. This will rank on Google as well. Yes, 70% of you say yes, this is the banks doing this. Well, if it's the banks doing it, be careful. They've the money and the power to shake it up, shake it down, and shake it all about. So be careful. I'm also hosting let me just go back to here. I'm also hosting a poll on my X as well. This is another one. I'll give you my X link. There's my X on Instagram. Let me drop, it's in the chat, also below in every video. Is crypto about to explode up? Is it about to pump up? All right. 59% say yes. 37 votes. Let me give you the link to this. I want everyone to vote. I want to see how this changes. This will be live on the screen, right? X poll. Vote on this now, and let's see how. There you go. I'll give it you 3 times so you can see it. There you go. Click on that now. I want to watch that live. I'm going to refresh the screen. Everyone repost this. So if you are into crypto, you would love this to pump, wouldn't you? So let's watch it. This is live. Let's see. Okay. Do that live now. That will move live. Okay. 6 likes. Everybody repost it. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll pick one of these later on and give you and I'll give you tickets for reposting for our giveaway, our 2000 giveaway. We've not done a repost for a couple of days. I've got a couple to go out today, actually. One from Vaz as well. So you might want to do that. Yes, Sensei's just said, here we go. I'm going to read this out now. Read this out to you now. Sensei has asked me, please clarify your link gives a 1 week free trial. People are voting on this now. I've given you the link. My link, I've just heard from Sensei. There's my link. Please clarify that your link, my link, gives a 1 week free trial. So you can go and try this for a week, all the way through the FOMC report, and throughout the week, you'll have all the information, how to trade, how to be successful. You can always cancel it. Everyone should get this, the free trial. Not everyone will get the full version on the free plan, but they will on the annual plan with the free trial. So I'll repeat that again. Not everyone will get the full version on the free plan, but they will on the annual plan with a free trial. So this is what you should do. You should go on that link I've just given you, sign up for the newsletter, do the annual plan. You get everything unlocked. You get the best information. You've got a free trial. That way you cancel it. Then you can cancel it if you don't want it. I don't think anyone has cancelled our newsletter. Sensei's ranking now like in the top for like newsletters. The other day he was at an event in London, and now Michael Burry has entered this Substack news organization, and Sensei was there at an award show, like really important. Sensei's going to win a bloody Oscar in a minute for this newsletter. It's incredible. So make sure that you've got the annual plan, free trial. You've got a week's trial to do that. And Sensei just said, yes, I'm on the way to London to work with his associates to create the newsletter, a special newsletter for tomorrow. So we got 12 now people who have liked it, 13 reposts. Yes, it's about to explode. No, 23%, and undecided. So keep voting on this. I want to see what everyone thinks. Let me put it in the chat again. This is a live poll happening live. Let's see what's happening. Let me go back to crypto. We can watch it going on, a live thing here. We're having a live short squeeze. Ethereum is going again. It's starting to run again. We've got XRP starting to run up again. We've got Bitcoin starting to run up again. So I ask you again, vote on this. It's a live poll. You can see it changing on the screen. 61% of you believe it is about to explode up. Also vote on the Lucas Archie on the community pages, whether you think the banks are behind this. All right, I'm going to go to a few comments and questions as well. I don't want to leave anybody out. So here we go. What we're going to do, because we have so many people in the chat, 309. I'll tell you what we'll do. This is a really important stream. We want everybody who's in crypto to get enthusiastic about this information, make the right decision. So let's promote this stream. Remember, I'm not influenced by anyone. I'm not paid by anyone, sponsored by anyone. I'm not even in crypto right now, but I know a lot of my audience are, and I would love them to do well. So what we're going to do, we want to get 100 likes in 1 minute. So I'm going to bring up the music. Let's play Big 10, and let's get the likes up on that post, and let's get 100 likes on this stream. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let's go, 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 go. Let's put it on the screen. Let's show you how many people are liking so far. Here we go. We're starting out at 4. There we go. We'll refresh the screen. You want 100. If you are into crypto and you want this information to go viral, then it's up to you. Doesn't bother me either way. 81. Boom. Straight out of the gate. Come on, let's rock and roll. 81, 82, let's get it rocking and rolling. Let's get it rocking and rolling. 89, it's going quickly. All right, let's see ya. Awesome stuff. How many we got now? We got 91, 91, 97, going up. We're getting ready. And crypto is pumping again. It's moving again. It's moving again. Tap the like button. Consider subscribing. If you want to be part of it, put a super chat on the screen. We'll read it out as well. 105. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. We're excited. It's going to be a massive day tomorrow. Get ready for it. How many likes we got now? 107. Fantastic. Awesome stuff. Great. And it's running again. It's running again. Let's go back to our coins. Yeah, Ethereum is just going sideways again. XRP is trying to carry on. Bitcoin is carrying on, 94 now. Dogecoin, for what it's worth, we don't focus on it too much. It's just a joke, but there you go. 112 now. Thank you for everyone who liked the stream. I really appreciate it. Right, now then, what was I going to do next? There was something I was going to do. Yes, go back to the X poll. Let's have a look. Let's refresh this. This got 60 votes. 61% of you are saying, yes, it's about to explode. Let's refresh that now. 60 votes. I thought it was 61. No, I can't count. All right. Anyway, I'm going to end this stream now and send you all to the FOMC report. It'll take you there automatically. Get ready for this event tomorrow. If you want to win $2,000 XRP, we're giving away, it doesn't matter whether it's XRP or Bitcoin, we're giving you $2,000 live on the show. Here is the giveaway. Free to enter, free for all. And tomorrow on the big show, on the FOMC report, we're going to give away tickets to win. We're going to give you a magic number at the beginning, middle, and end of my show, and those that have them, then you add them all together, and then you can win tickets. You can win tickets, and you won't need to miss it if you're watching Sensei's, because what we'll do, I'll tell Sensei when I'm going to give it to you. You'll pop into my stream for a second. I shall give it to you back, and then you can go back. Tomorrow, we're going to give away more tickets than we've ever done before to win $2,000 in our giveaway. So make sure tomorrow you are watching me or Sensei on this channel. Makes no difference. We're both going to cover the event, but in different ways to give you different perspectives. Okay? Both can have the newsletter, both can have all the information, but we're going to discuss it in a different way because everybody's got their own ways of absorbing the information. So we want to give it to you to be best for you. All right. That's what we're going to do. But on my show, I will give out magic numbers. All right. To win $2,000. Okay. One at the middle, beginning, one at the middle, and one at the end. And whichever stream you're watching, it won't matter. It won't matter what you're watching because I will tell Sensei, I'm about to give the magic number. You can pop in my stream for 10 seconds. I'll give you the number and then you can hop back into Sensei's if you wish to do that. All right, there you go. That way you can get the maximum benefit out of tomorrow and not miss anything. It'll all be live. You can win $2,000. All right, how cool is that? All right, I'm out of here. Thank you very much indeed. Stay where you are now. I'll take you to the extra channel, and I'll see you back for the closing bell if there is more information. I'm sure there will be. And thank you very much indeed. That's it from me. I'll see you all back in a bit for the closing bell this afternoon. Right now, though, I'm going to send you to the FOMC report for tomorrow, so you've got your front row ticket. What we got here?
Charles Wozniacki 5296 has become a member. Very generous.
You're very welcome. Yeah, the reason why we give away cash prizes, we just like helping people because I consistently make good money with my investments. I don't sell training programs We include it with the newsletter, and we just like to give money away just because it's fun and it's very entertaining and just enjoy doing it. So you just become a gold member. Charles, thank you so much indeed. A gold member for 5 months now. You're celebrating your 5 months. Sorry, you're celebrating, yes, 5 months. You'll go from, you'll be 6 months soon. The badge goes from 2 to 6 months. So thank you very much indeed. Make sure that you all take part in the giveaway. It's completely free. That's it from me. Thank you so much indeed. I'll see you back for the closing bell and the FOMC report tomorrow. 2 streams at the same time. Choose which stream that you want to watch, but don't worry, you won't miss the tickets. You won't miss anything, but with both of us, you have all the angles covered. That's what we wanted to do. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. See you back in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other.